Apa khabar？我係阿詩，今日我哋 experiment 整 almond butter cookie。出邊天氣好熱啊，唔想出街啊，所以呢，我就用翻我之前做過嘅 peanut butter cookie 嘅 recipe 嚟整 almond butter cookie 啦。一樣3個材料咋，250 grams homemade almond butter， 你可以買便嘅，冇糖噶吓。嗱，自己加埋60 grams of monk fruit sweetener， 一個雞蛋，嗱，跟住嗰個 peanut cookie 嘅 recipe 就咁樣 mix 下佢，搞下佢。If you want to see peanut butter cookies recipe， 上邊嗰個 link 你 click 下啦，一樣咁簡單，3個材料咋，好似一個 dough 咁樣啦。Preheat 個 oven 180 Celsius。咁每個 cookie dough 呢，你就 average 啦，20 grams each。咁呢，我其實呢整2次。咁啊 second time 呢，我就試下用15 gram， 一陣你就會睇到嗰個效果乜嘢分別 ，20 grams versus 15 grams。做法呢就一樣嘅。咁你整咗你嘅嗰個 cookie dough之後，就用呢個叉嚟咁樣 press it down a little bit，make it into a crosswise pattern 啦。咁你睇到 the difference between 20 and 15 gram 其實唔係好大。15 gram 其實 looks slightly smaller, not very obvious。咁個焗呢，我都要 adjust 咗嗰個 temperature。20 grams 嗰個呢，我就焗180 Celsius for 15 minutes. The smaller one, 170 Celsius for 10 minutes. 效果呢？呢個就嗰個20 grams 嘅，因為我13 minutes 嗰陣就睇到窿噶啦，即刻攞出嚟啊！你睇到個西窿咗啊，入邊睇到少少 dry。嗱 ，compare 到我嗰呢個15 gram 嘅，你要好小心啊！你睇爛咗添啊，因為佢入邊仲好 soft 啊，10 minutes 啊嘛。但係呢，我 break 咗入邊，你睇到入邊仲少少 soft， 同埋佢冇咁 dry。嗱，攞嚟比較15 grams versus 20 grams， 同埋靚啲嘅 on the 15 gram 嗰個冇咁窿。呢個你睇到佢入邊冇咁乾，呢個頭先呢佢 break up 咗嘛，咁擺咗一陣，佢就開始乾啲。呢個呢中間未咁乾，好食好多。所以即係話 ，the best is 用呢啲make it 15 gram 啦，焗170 10 minutes. So this is perfect.